Hello my name is กันตพงษ์เปียสุพงศ์วันนี้ผมจะมาพูดเรื่อง My Hobby นะครับ My Hobby is watching series and listening to music I like to watch series with my friend or family I also love listening to music every day Music make me feel happy and relaxed. When I am sad or tired, good song make me feel better. Watching silly and listening to music how me enjoy my free time and make my life more fun. Thank you, teacher.